Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel and our look at Google Chrome settings and options. One of them, of course, is the ability to sign in with a Gmail account to, of course, synchronize all the data between your Google Chrome browser on all devices and, of course, have the ability to save in the cloud a lot of information that you might have, including, passwords, including web searches, including bookmarks, a lot of stuff. The reason people sign into an account, and I am signed in Google Chrome, is the fact that it is extremely nice to be able to sync everything between my Chrome browsers everywhere. So what I have here, what I've done here, I see it on another machine. I have access to it. This is what makes me want to continue syncing. But a lot of people are going crazy with Google, and I think, to be fair, up to a certain point, Google is, we talk here about Microsoft. A lot of people are going crazy with Microsoft snooping. I think of all things equal and fair, Google is way worse than Microsoft in snooping and all the data that it actually gets from us. And so one of the things that you need to know is that you can use Google Chrome without actually being linked to an account of any kind. You don't have to use an account to use Chrome. And there is a huge difference in the amount of data sent to Google and sent to the cloud when you are logged into an account or not. So this is very important to understand, that this is a major difference. If you are logged in, you send so much data, and maybe data you don't want, to Google services. What you could do is simply go into your settings, and if you click turn off, it's going to tell you this will sign you out of Google accounts. Your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more will not be synced anymore. And there's another option here, and it is clear bookmarks, history, passwords, and more from this device. Here's going to tell you it's going to delete 3,331 items from the device. The data is available by signing into the account. Now, once you do this, if you do log out and if you do decide to use Chrome without being logged into an account, remember that going to that account online through your browser will enable you also. I showed you yesterday that there was a place in the Google account where you see everything you do, your searches and all the things that is saved. You can delete all of it from the cloud also, which means you log out here, you make sure that you go into your account online and you remove everything. Pretty much just the basic data will be sent to Google, and a lot of what you do that is now seen will not be seen. So it increases your privacy. It doesn't render this totally zero. You're not going to be, totally safe from snooping from Google, but you'll be, of course, in another category where there's a lot less data about you being sent out to Google, and of course, just basic telemetry of the browser. So it's up to you to decide. Personally, I rather stay in. I got no problem with Google looking at what I do on the web and having some of my information because it syncs everywhere and it's extremely useful for me. But maybe for you it's a problem. Well, this is where you can actually log out and just use your browser without being signed in. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.